4 hours. Let's go.
I'm going here.
Good morning. Let's go! Critical velocity to 1/2.
The liturgy invites us to cry out to God in prayer.
Gosh. We're at the hotel. Hi, ma'am.
Motel.
Ay, motel pala, guys. So, ayun, we're here dahil malayo-layo yung casa sa resting center. Kaya naisipan namin mag-book na lang ng hotel here sa Santa Mesa. And yun, para easy na lang kapag nag-boards na. May mirror pa sa taas pa. May mirror pa sa taas. Oh, guys. Pwede mag-vlog dito, oh. Hey! So, ayan. Isushow ko dito yung binook ko sa Agoda, which is Town and Country. We're here at Town and Country Hotel. Pero, ito yung itsura ng room. Look at the difference, guys. I don't know. It's for you to judge. Pero, ayan. Okay lang. Basta may matirahan malapit dito. So, mag-ayos lang kami ng gamit. Then, iti-check namin yung testing center. And after that, baka mag-review pa kami. So, hi guys, we're back in the hotel. It was not good. Haha. Kamusta, Bam?
Mat ang sumira ng araw.
Mat ang sumira ng araw niya. And mine as well. Feeling ko may mga hindi na mag-a-attend tomorrow tsaka sa Thursday. Dahil nakakapangsira ng mood ang mat, no? Pero yun, di na ako nakapag-video kanina kasi kadating doon, pina-off na yung phone. And ako binigay ko sa proctor yung phone ko kasi wala akong dalang bag. Tsaka alam ko di rin naman pwede mag-video sa loob ng testing center. Kaya, ayun. Di ko rin siya na-vlog. Pero yun, update lang guys. Still alive! Second day! Second day! Let's go! Doctors, saka ACRM, please be good to us. Hello guys, we're back home and second day of exams is done and sakto lang yun today kasi compared naman din sa kahapon, pero ayun, still hoping na bukas madali lang yung last exams namin. So tomorrow is our third day and last day of exams, so wish us luck and pray for us. I mean, kapag na-post ko to, for sure engineers na kami, so manifesting. I don't know if I'm excited, I don't know if I'm scared, I'm nervous, I don't know. I really don't know what to feel, pero ayun. Tapos ng second day guys, last day tomorrow. Nag-order lang pala ako ng dinner sa Popeyes kanina kasi yun lang yung fast food na nandito, na malapit dito actually. Kasi ayoko na mag-grab dahil na-stress lang kami kagabi. Ang dami nangyari sa Grab and ang hirap maghanap ng driver dito. Kaya eat lang kami ng dinner. Last day ba? Good luck, engineer. Ay, di kita eh. Yun. Good luck, engineer! Ay, sorry guys. Let's go! And we're done! Ah! So, ayun guys. Nauna na ako dito sa hotel kasi di pa tapos si Bam. And so, yeah. The board exam is officially done. For me. Oh my God. And hopefully, first and last board exams ko yun. So, pero yun, sorry guys kung sobrang walang kwenta ng vlog na to. I just want to document every before and after ng pag-take ko na exam. Kasi di rin ako makapag-video dun eh. Pero, so yun, hanggang 6 PM pa kami dito. Then, after that, mag-check out, then uwi na ako sa casa. Hindi pa ako uwi ng Pampanga. And we'll wait ko yung results here kasama yung mga friends ko. So, after mag-check out here, babalik na ako ng casa. Then, we'll wait for the results there. And after 2 days lang, makikita na yung results. So, yun! Manifesting, Lord, thank you in advance. Thank you in advance. I love you. Hi guys! I'm back here sa casa. And, ayun. Actually, I don't know what to feel about the board exams. Parang gusto ko pa. Kasi, alam mo eh, parang di pa ako satisfied doon sa tinake namin. Pero, ang bilis kasi masyado. Ang bilis ng 3 days, guys. As in. Pero yun, tapos na. And we'll just wait for the results. Sa Friday na yung results, 2 days from now. Here at Parkal, we're going to eat sa
Hungry Neighbors.
We're going to try Hungry Neighbors. Hinahanap namin siya sa second floor yata. Ganda naman yan. Kakulay mo si Joy.
Joy.
Kulay yellow. Si Happiness. No? Saan ba yung Hungry Neighbors? Yun na ata. Yay! We're now here. I love.
Results are